It's a beautiful morning. It's Saturday, so I actually get to stay home and try and fly the birds early this morning. I want them getting used to flying in the mornings, not in the evenings, but not that it really matters too much in the beginning, but I just like to get them on a routine and get them to stick to that routine. Speaking of that, let me show you guys, for the first 2 times that I let these birds go, I had to actually go in the cage. I had to go in the loft here and catch pretty much every single bird and put it into my trap door right here, which leads out to the flying chute. Now, I've gotten them to a point in a matter of 3 days where all I go in there is just clap, whistle a couple times, and I still sometimes gotta herd a couple in. I mean, it's only been like 3 or 4 times we've done this, and they're already starting to figure out that when I do that, that means go to the chute. So let me show you guys what's going on. See if y'all can see the chute. All right. Let me grab my little reaching stick here. All right, so we're ready to go. And there goes the last one, guys. All right. And now, I don't have to get them to where they're not tame, you know, by grabbing them and handling them so much. That was about 25 birds. And all 25 went in there all on their own. I didn't have to catch one. Just wanted to make a quick little video about that, and I'm gonna let the birds go today, so I might upload another little video. Till then, keep them flying, and you guys have a good one. Hey guys, like I said, I was gonna let them out. We got a bigger group now, starting to group and fly around, stretch their wings. That's what we need. I just heard the hawk. I got a family of hawk that stays over here in these trees. There's some of the young birds that aren't flying, and there's the rest of them. I just heard the hawk. I got a family of hawks that's got a nest, right? If you look just beyond the pine trees in the center of the camera, there's a big oak. Right in the center of that big oak, where all the branches meet up with the trunk of the tree. Dead center of the camera right now, they got a big old nest there. So that's what I gotta put up with. But as you can see, guys, the birds are flying good. They're getting high up, which definitely helps with that hawk. I might get back with y'all later on, but for right now, I'm gonna soak it all in. You guys have a good morning. Hey guys, just wanted to make a quick video. I had a friend come by and drop off 2 young birds. They're both silvers. Here's one of them. No band, sadly, but I'll be able to breed out of them. I'm gonna train them this year and see how they do. He's gonna work on, I gave him a couple bands so that the next round from the parents, he'll be able to band for me, and I'll be able to race in my racing team this year, hopefully. He says he got the birds off of the magazine.
He said the parents were really good birds. He paid about $75 for each young bird. So let's give them a try and see. I'll keep y'all updated on how they do. Right now they're getting accustomed to their new pigeon friends. They look very healthy. They got good bodies, good feathering. They're obviously molting right now, but they are gorgeous. Big pigeons too. So we'll try them out and I'll let y'all know. Till next time, guys, keep them flying.